Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to look at simplifying this equation. Okay, so how would you go about this? Well, we're going to start by factorising 3 to the power of 7 plus 3 to the power of 4. Now the rule to remember here is if you have a number raised to a power and you multiply that by the same number raised to a different power, then the result is that number raised to the power of the two other powers added together. This means that we can take the 3 to the power of 7 and rewrite this as 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4. If we do this, then we get 3 to the 3 times 3 to the 4 plus 3 to the 4 divided by 7. We're now able to pull 3 to the power of 4 out of both of these terms. So this now becomes 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 plus 1 over 7. And hopefully you can see that if we multiply 3 to the 4 by 3 to the 3, we get this. And if we multiply 3 to the 4 by 1, we get this. Now that we've done this, we can evaluate what's in the brackets. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. So we'll rewrite that as 3 to the power of 4 multiplied by 28 all over 7. Now, 7s into 28 go 4. But I'm going to write that as 2 to the power of 2. And you'll see why in a moment. So this now equals the square root of 3 to the 4 multiplied by 2 to the 2. We can now utilise this relationship again and rewrite this as 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2, because 2 plus 2 gives you your 4. We can also write this as 2 times 2. Let's put some brackets in there. So this is 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 1, which gives you your 2 there. Now you should be able to see that this is easy to take the square root of, because we just take one of these terms. So the square root of this is 3 squared times 2. And this equals 18. And that's it, that's your answer. So the answer here is B, 18. Did you get it?